What is GSTR1 filing? Return filing of GSTR1. GSTR1 is a monthly return that summarizes all sales of a taxpayer. Okay. So monthly return that summarize. मंथली रिटर्न जे सेलचे सेलची जी समरी आहे काय ती GSTR1 मध्ये शेअर होते. स्क्रीन दिसते ना तुम्हाला? स्क्रीन दिसते ना? So let us see the date update as on 15th October 2020. Latest updates on GSTR1 due dates. These are the due dates for GSTR1 for business with turnover more than 1.5 crore. Month, quarter, October, November, December, January, February, March, and due date. These are the due dates. Turnover up to 1.5 crore, October to December and January to March. Okay. So let us see what is GSTR1. GSTR1 is a monthly or quarterly return that should be filled by every registered businessman or dealer. It contains details of all outward supplies, that is sales. Okay. When GSTR1 is due, so these are the due dates. The due dates of GST1 are based on your turnover. Okay. Who should file GSTR1? Every registered person is required to file GSTR1 irrespective of whether there are any transaction during the month or not. Okay. How to revise GSTR1? Let us see. Return once filled cannot be revised. Any mistake made in return can be rectified in the next period.
आता मी काय
Let us
करतो
see
याची माझा
what
अटेंडन्स
will be the last late fees penalty. Late fees are for not filling GSTR1 is rupees 200 per day of late fee.
नोंदला सांगू का माझी
Okay,
अटेंडन्स
so this is all about the how to
विचार
fill the GSTR. Okay, so
तर
let
दिली
us come to
झालं
our tally transaction.
त्यांचीच माझ्या ह्याच्यावर
Come to the tally and let us see the GSTR1 reports for our company JK Enterprises.
सगळे मागताय का माझे
So GST reports, GSTR1 select and press the enter. Here see the GST1 bar, GST1 reports
नाही
for our
बरोबर मिळून
company.
देत
Okay, so in this way uh, the report should be viewed in tally. Okay. Escape from the and let us see what is GST R2. What is GST R2? Every registered taxable person, see, GST R2 is monthly return that summarizes the details of inward purchases of taxable goods and services. Means monthly return of that summarize the details of inward purchase of taxable goods
साडा कमेंट करी
or services. What is GSTR2? Every registered taxable person is required to give details of inward supply, that is purchases for tax period in GSTR2. Why is GSTR2 important? GSTR2 contains details of all the purchases transactions of a registered dealer for a month. It will also include purchases on which reverse change applies. Okay. When is GSTR2 due date? Which are the due dates of GSTR 2? As per the Act, GSTR 2 due date for filling is 15th of every month, every next month. There is a 5-day gap between GSTR 1 and GSTR 2 filling to correct any errors and discrepancies. Okay, so this is all about the GSTR 2. Let us see the transaction or how it can be share, how it can be see in our tally. Come to the tally. See, come to GSTR 2, press enter here. See the GSTR 2 report for our company JK Enterprises. Okay, see, to be reconciled with GST portal, business to business invoices, number of invoices 8, taxable value 4,98,000, total tax 79,680, total ITC available 79,680. Okay, so we have to pay the tax 79,680. Okay, so this is the GSTR 2. Okay, now let us turn over to the GSTR 3. GSTR 3 स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय ना रे GSTR 3चं. हॅलो.
हो सर.
Okay, GSTR 3 return filling. So let us see what is GSTR 3. GSTR 3 contain the monthly summary of sales and purchases along the tax liability. काय आहे, मंथली समरी आहे आपलं सेल्स आणि परचेस ऑफ गुड्सचं विथ द टॅक्स लायबिलिटी, म्हणजे टॅक्स किती देणं आहे आपल्याला दर महिन्याला सेल्स आणि परचेसवर. सी व्हॉट इज GSTR 3? GSTR 3 इज अ मंथली रिटर्न with the summarized detail of sales during the month along with the amount of GST liability. Okay, why GSTR 3 important? GSTR 3 will show the amount of GST liability for the month. The taxpayer must pay the tax and file the return. When GSTR 3 is due? Last update, according to last update, due date for GSTR 3 of July has been extended to 11 December. Okay, so in this way GSTR 3 is important and due date. Okay, let us see with tally how it can be shown. Okay, so come to the tally screen. Escape from this and come to GSTR 3. See, this is our GSTR 3B for JK Enterprises. Here we are going to eligible income tax credit 48,000, tax amount 48,000 we have to pay to income tax department. Okay, outward supplies and inward supplies liable to reverse charge 6 lakhs, and these are the tax. Okay, so in this way we may see the GSTR 1, GSTR 2 and GSTR 3 in tally. Okay,